This screencast is the second in a series of short tutorials on installing and using the SubstanceD application development framework using Python 3. In the first screencast, we created a Python virtual environment called intranet, and we populated it with setup tools, SubstanceD and its dependencies, which include Pyramid, Chameleon, and the ZUDB. Those scripts from those dependencies are installed in the bin directory of our environment, and you can see that the packages for those dependencies are in the site packages for our environment here. So the way we're going to proceed is in the same subdirectory where we checked out SubstanceD, we are going to let SubstanceD and Pyramid generate for us the initial code for our project. Pyramid has a script that it installs called pcreate, which works with SubstanceD to generate a project from one of a set of templates. You'll see the available templates here. The one that we are interested in using is the SubstanceD template. We're going to generate a project called myintranet. And if we look here, there is a myintranet subdirectory, which is actually a Python package, has an under init.py, along with other initial versions of software. You'll see that there is a setup.py here, and if we look at it, we'll see this list here is the list of project names that are dependencies for our project, including Pyramid, Waitress, which is a WSGI server, SubstanceD itself, and then 2 add-ons for Pyramid. And we'll see down here that that list is passed through in the setup script as the install requirements for our package. So I'm going to, before we let SubstanceD and Pyramid setup tools install this, I want to go ahead and set this up as a Git repository so that I'll be able to track my changes as I make them over time. So I initialize the directory as a repository. I want to ignore files that I know are going to be here as derived files, so I'm going to put them in the git ignore file. I want to ignore egginfo subdirectories, which are derived files, the database files that will get created when we start the server, the blobs subdirectory, and any temp subdirectory that I might want to use. So now I'm going to add all the files here and see which files are actually being pulled in. Initial project. Okay, so now I've got a snapshot checked in of the files that were originally generated for me. Now I want to let setup tools put this directory on the path and install the remaining dependencies. So I'm going to run my setup script with the develop command, which will do both of those things for me. So now that that's completed, I can run Python import myintranet and see that it is being imported from the newly created subdirectory there. All right, that's it for this time. We'll be back shortly to show running the server, logging into the SubstanceD admin interface.